Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. I can tell you my irritation is complete. Okay, as you guys have seen in one of my previous videos, I already fixed this mirror once and it lasted about a year and fell off. So I said I'm not going to try to fix it again. I'm going to buy new ones. So I bought two new ones on eBay, and neither one of these adjust off of me and off of the ground. So I cannot use them. They have to go back. So once again, I'm going to try and repair it. And this time, I'm going to use Loctite's Power Grab. Instant grab, so I will not have to use a bowl this time. I'm going to get this. I'm going to glue on the mirror once again. I'm going to give it a little snip. Put it in this little gun. Sorry, my gun's not clean because it's seen many projects. So I didn't get a new one because I didn't want to. But we're going to go ahead and try this new Loctite Power Grip. I'm going to put it on either side and give it a little press, and I shouldn't have to do anything else. Let's see what happens. So we apply the Loctite just like this. We're going to be very generous around the perimeter. So it's right on this side. A nice generous portion over on this side. And this will hold very well. And then we just put this down and we take our mirror and we press it into place. Something like this. Just like that. And it grabs instantly. And it holds very, very, very well. And you have yourself a permanent fix.